How are we all doing? I can see you all want a beer or a cocktail or a glass of wine. We're almost there, I promise. So, we're one of those IoT smart city applications companies that build applications on your networks. And our customers are the same as your customers. We sell to local, regional and national government. And IoT is important. We've seen that first you monetize content, then you monetize mobile, and then into the cloud, and next the big opportunity is IoT. And we're the perfect company to partner with in this growth market. So my name's Lee Omar, and I'm the co-founder of iSensing. And iSensing are here to help cities plan for the future of transportation. So every city has a transport plan. This is Denver's transport plan here, and it cost millions of dollars to produce and took tens of thousands of hours, and it's already out of date. And that's because cities are changing so fast. They're getting busier, we can feel that. In London, the population goes up by 1 million people every decade. We can't handle it. And it's not just the amount of people in cities that's changing. How we move around cities is changing. We now have Uber, we have Lyft, we have electric scooters, skateboards. It's all different to it was 10 years ago. Even in Dubai, they launched a flying drone taxi service last year. Who would have thought it? The big problem with this new paradigm in cities is congestion. And congestion is only going to get worse unless we plan properly. So we need a transport plan. So this is Hannah. She's a transport planner in Manchester. She's one of our customers. And for her to develop a transport plan, she uses historical data on how people move around the city. And the way she gets this data is archaic. She pays expensive consultants who pay people to go out on the street, and they manually count people. They're using pen and paper. This whole process is slow. It actually takes months for her to procure. It's a pain. She doesn't actually get the real data she needs. She gets some data, but it's kind of not good enough. And it's expensive. So iSensing is here to provide real-time data analytics of how people move around the city in real time. So transport planners like Hannah can concentrate on what's really important. And that's creating more livable cities. This is Manchester. Hannah needed to get real-time data analytics of how people moved around Manchester. So iSensing designed a sensor, and this IoT sensor can detect passing smartphones. And with this data, transport planners in Manchester were able to get this real-time data analytics of people movement for the very first time. And with this insight, they were able to design the UK's largest cycling and walking network, and they were able to optimise their bus and tram systems, so we've made it better for people. And we're not only doing this in Manchester. In Birmingham, we're assisting them to design their high-speed rail link to London. Here in London, we are reducing congestion in Zone 1. In Madrid, we're reducing journey times in the tourism district, working with the municipality. In Belo Horizonte, in Brazil, we're optimising their bus network. And in Sao Paulo, we're getting more people on the metro every day. And up in Mexico City, we're optimising their busless system and their metro. Back to Europe, in Belfast and Dublin, we're helping them understand how people use their city services. And in Antwerp, Eindhoven and Helsinki, we're improving their cycle network. So the opportunity here is massive. IoT is growing at over 13% annually. And we can help you sell more services to your government customers. The ask from us is, we want to access your connectivity so we can put our applications and deploy and scale our IoT sensor network. We're in cities all around the world now, but there's 4,000 cities that we can work with, and we want to work in partnership with you. And we want to understand what your city, government, regional, national customers' problems are, and then we can collaborate together to bring new value to these customers and drive your revenue and ours. We're already speaking to some of the people in this room about collaborating in some of the high-profile cities in Europe, and we want to continue these conversations. And I'm reaching out to people to let's chat today and see how we can work together to drive growth for our organisations. Thank you.